Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start a new concept DAX in Power BI, Data Analytical Expression, which is an important concept. When we require mathematical calculation, we use DAX expression. And all of you know it's an important concept. In this, we have multiple formulas to calculate new values. In this we also add date year format. So let's get started. First we need to understand what is DAX actually is. So let's start. And what DAX is. DAX is an important concept even for interview perspective. So you need to understand it better, it in theoretically and practical way both. First, just we need to do what is DAX theoretically. DAX stands for Data Analytical Expression. It's a library of that can to build combine to build formulas and in expression in Power BI analysis services and Power Pivot in Excel data models. So it's an analytical expression. Lib- it's a library of function which are already built in and which you can use in your data. So DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It is a language developed by Microsoft to interact with data in a variety of their platforms like Power BI, Power Pivot, SSAS, Tabular Model. It is designed to be simple and easy to learn while exposing the power and flexibility of tabular models. So using DAX will truly unleash the capabilities of Power BI. You can understand when you will use it that it's really a very powerful tool. Where DAX can be used? DAX can be used in Power BI, in Power Pivot for Excel, SSAS, Tabular Model, and Azure Analysis Service. So it's a one language, many tools as a bonus. It's using various tools. You can understand in Power BI, Power Pivot, SSS models, and Azure. First thing, I want to make you clear the topic, which is measure what is calculated column. What is the difference between them? So, what is calculated column? Expands table by creating new column. If you calculate a new value by existing values in a table, that is known as column. What is measure? Measure summarize data into a single value. It add the total sale, it add the total value of profit, it add and multiply and add the few values, then these values are known as measures. So it is stored along with table and calculated column is stored within table along with table and it's consume memory, while measures are run at runtime and these are stored temporarily, so these not consumes memory. Calculated columns has less analytical capability, but measures have rich analytical capability. These are very fast, dynamic, and for adding, summing calculations and various kind of calculation we can use by simply a expression, simply a function which is built in. We will see in coming videos, in coming demos, how to use these and how fast these are. So if we want to calculate the profit in any given table, how we can calculate? We can calculate is by profit is where sales amount is given and cost amount is given for any product, then we can calculate profit is equal to sales amount minus cost amount and total sales. So in calculated column, it will add a new column, what is the profit. But if we go to the measure and we want to calculate the sales, so it will add by some function sum of sales amount and it will add entire column to a just to a value. So it summarizes the data into a single value. It does not expand. So it does not require any memory. We have various functions of measure and we have various calculated column applications when we analyze expand data for our business purpose. So this is a just basic example how the calculated column and measure we can differentiate. In coming videos, we are coming with more detail. So thank